Welcome to Taste of Portugal. From the land and the sea comes one of Portugal's most iconic and unforgettable dishes. This is Carne de Porco a Alentejana, tender marinated pork, fresh clams, and bold Alentejo flavor, all in one pan. Though it carries the name of Portugal's inland Alentejo region, this dish is a beautiful marriage of countryside tradition and coastal soul. Let me show you how to make Carne de Porco a Alentejana, rustic, rich, and unforgettable. To serve four, you'll need about 800 grams of pork shoulder, fresh clams, garlic, paprika, dry white wine, and of course, olive oil. A touch of red wine vinegar adds brightness, and fresh cilantro brings it to life at the end. We begin by marinating our pork. Combine garlic, sweet paprika, bay leaf, vinegar, and white wine. Let it sit for at least 3 hours, or even better, overnight. This is the soul of the dish. While the pork rests, soak your clams in salted water to draw out any sand. Rinse well. We want nothing gritty in our final dish. Time to build flavor. Sear the pork in olive oil and a spoon of lard if you want to go full traditional. Work in batches. We want golden caramelized edges, not steam. Pour in that beautiful marinade and let it simmer. The wine cooks down, the paprika infuses the sauce, and everything starts to come together. Now for the magic. In go the clams. Cover and let them steam until they open. This is where the sea joins the land. A final touch of fresh herbs, maybe a few olives and a squeeze of lemon. Earthy, bright, and full of tradition. Traditionally, this is served with crisp fried potatoes or rustic bread to mop up every drop of that sauce. Pair it with a chilled glass of Vinho Verde or a dry Alentejo white. Portugal in a glass. It's savory, tender, slightly briny, and incredibly satisfying. That marinade, the clams, the wine, this is more than a dish. It's Portugal on a plate. Did you enjoy this traditional Portuguese recipe? Then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your version of acorda, and don't forget to subscribe for more authentic Portuguese cooking. See you in the next video.